Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Set up an IDE or prepare to use PDB. Open the file you will debug, then place a breakpoint at the suspected failing line so you can pause execution. Once done, run the program under the debugger rather than printing logs, because stepping gives precise state inspection. Make sure to enable source maps or show Python paths so the debugger resolves modules correctly, and keep an eye on import time side effects. You now perform the core debugging actions. Step through code and inspect state to understand how data flows. Step in to see internal function logic, step over to skip trivial calls, and step out when a function completes. These controls reveal where behavior diverges. Evaluate expressions in the console to confirm assumptions and temporarily change variables to simulate fixes. Because exceptions often mask root causes, set break on exceptions so you catch the origin, not just. You wrap up by validating your fix and cleaning up. Rerun unit tests under the debugger to ensure the issue is resolved, then remove any ad hoc changes you made during inspection. If performance or memory is the problem, profile with cprofile or tracemalloc to find hotspots and leaks. And if the bug is elusive, create a minimal reproducible example, insert PDB. Set trace, or attach a remote debugger so you can replicate the failing environment. This often reveals subtle state differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.